How to delete your YouTube channel in 2025. In this video session, I'll show you the settings for deleting your YouTube channel. When you're logged into your YouTube account, press on your profile icon, then simply go to YouTube Studio. Then press on the link. Here on your dashboard, you have menu options on the left-hand side. Press on Settings, then press on Channel Settings, then select Advanced Settings. Simply scroll down the page and here press on Manage your YouTube account. Let's press on that. Here YouTube will show you some menu options here. Let's press View Advanced Settings. As you can see, within Advanced Settings, you have an option called Delete Channel. Simply press on Delete Channel. Then in the next step, YouTube then gives you two different options. One is you can hide your content, as in make them private, or you can select I want to permanently delete my content. Let's select that. Then you have check mark, as in read through what you'll be deleting. And finally, to be able to delete your YouTube channel in 2025, simply press on Delete My Content. Then YouTube channel of yours will be deleted. Do keep in mind, this does not delete your main Google account. If you want to learn how to delete your main Google account, simply visit Rankia YouTube channel, because I've created a video session showing you how to do just that. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.